Hi, you're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen Pasquale, and today I'm going to show you how to make buffalo chicken salad. Just for a change of pace, I'm going to be shooting outside today. You might hear like outside sounds, birds, and you might see my dog walking up and down the stairs. So please, I hope you don't mind that. Let's go over the ingredients now. I'll be using about 2.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I'm going to do a dredge of breadcrumbs and just a regular egg. We're also going to be making a hot sauce for that, and we're going to be using just any hot sauce and butter. We're also going to be making a blue cheese dressing. So I'm going to be using buttermilk, some mayo, some sour cream, and of course the blue cheese, and a little salt, pepper, some garlic powder and onion powder. And then if you shoot on this side, we'll be assembling a salad. So this is some romaine lettuce, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some red onions. My son likes these hot buffalo wings, so we're gonna add that instead of croutons, but of course you can have some croutons if you like, and a little banana peppers. So let's start. So we're going to start by using about 1 cup of mayo. And I'm just going to eyeball it here, because I know I have about a cup left in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. We're also going to use about 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Now if you don't have buttermilk, you can use regular milk and just add about 1 tablespoon per cup of vinegar. Okay, just like that. I'm not going to add all of it. I want it to be just right, not too thick and not too thin. Give it a nice little mix just like that. I'm also going to add about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Just like that. There we go. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just like that, good. Some pepper. And this here is about like a ranch dressing. If you add a little parsley, it'll be like a ranch dressing. So we're just gonna add a little blue cheese to that, and it'll become a blue cheese dressing. Now we're just gonna add the blue cheese. I want to add about 4 ounces. This is about a 1/2 pound. You just want to break it up like this. Nice chunks. Right in there. So you just give that a good mix and break it up a little bit, and you got yourself a nice blue cheese dressing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator until the salad's ready. So next we're gonna just make a little egg wash for our chicken. I use about 3 eggs. Just simple. Just add a little salt and a little pepper. There we go. Keep that off to the side. And we're going to do the same thing with the breadcrumbs. Now, a lot of times people use flour, then eggs, then breadcrumbs, but we're going to eliminate the flour step. I find that the product it's perfect, so I eliminate it. So we'll put that over there. I also like to season the chicken with a little garlic and onion powder, a little salt and pepper. sides. Just like that. And I added in the egg. And in the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to do that without pieces. Once you get the chicken breaded, you can go ahead and start frying them. Just make sure the oil is up to temperature. You want it to about 350 degrees. Let that go a little bit. So these are getting to a nice color. Just let them go maybe another minute or so. Okay, so this looks ready. When they get firm like that, you know they're ready. Put them back in. Okay, this is the last of them, and that's ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let these rest for a little bit and start on the hot sauce. So for the hot sauce, we're just gonna add 1 stick of butter and any hot sauce, about a cup's worth. This is 12 ounces, so almost the whole thing. And you just wanna cook that down. Now, if you like it spicier, add more or less butter. You can add less butter. If you like it less spicy, just add more butter or less hot sauce. Okay, this is ready. So it's all melted. It's ready to go. You just let that simmer a little bit just to meld in the flavors. Okay, so now all we do is we get our chicken and we put it right in the hot sauce, just like that. There we go. You do that with all the pieces. You just want the chicken to absorb all that flavor, so it's nice if the sauce is warm. So the next thing to do is just assemble. So we'll start with the lettuce. This is romaine lettuce. It's been washed and cut. So just put that on. A nice plate just like that. This is more like an individual salad. So we'll do one salad, like some lettuce like that. And all the little fixings that you like. So we like a little red onion. Cut thin like a rainbow strips. Just like that. Some cucumbers. Just like that. I like a little celery. You know how blue cheese chicken wings always have like that blue cheese, you know, the carrots and the celery. So I'm just gonna try to replicate that flavor. And I like to use the celery leaves. Some banana peppers. That adds a lot of, you know, tang and crunch, and it's just delicious. Some croutons. So just to get the flavors going a little, we're gonna use some hot buffalo wing pretzel pieces instead of croutons. These are really good. They're addicting. Not too many, just a little. If you don't have that, you can use croutons. And then the chicken. And I also have the blue cheese right here. So let's get the chicken. I'm gonna put the salad down right here. And grab one chicken. We'll slice into this. Just like that. Scoop it up with the knife, throw it right on top here. Add some nice homemade blue cheese dressing. That looks really good, doesn't it? And if you want, you can add just a little bit more blue cheese pieces. just like that. And that's it. There's your buffalo chicken salad. It's great for lunch, dinner, great for summer, anytime. The kids love it. It's outrageous. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen Di Pasquale. Thank you for watching.